Hello, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from Coinbase to Pocket Option. This process is actually quite simple and easy to do. The first step you'll need to take is to log in to your Pocket Option account. Once you're logged in, we're going to click on this button right here. Click on it and this window will open up. In this window, what we need to do is select this option that says Tether. Okay, we select it, this one right here, and here we choose the amount that we're going to top up from our Coinbase account. Here, we click this button to continue with the payment. Alright, once we click there, this will open up for us. Basically, what we need to do here is click this button again. We're going to click it. And now here we're going to see that we have an address. This address is for the Tron network. What you need to do here is copy this wallet address, and in your Coinbase account, you will make a transfer on the Tron network directly to this wallet address along with the amount you want to deposit. And that's it. It's very simple and, well, you shouldn't have any major issues doing it because it's easy. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.